So hello guys, my name is Shafiq. Welcome back to my channel. I'm from Jaipur and I work for the best company in the world called Disney Cruise Line. Alright, तो ऐसा कहा जाता है कि once you do your professional course, to get a job is very easy, but to get a good job is very difficult. Alright, तो I bring some of the amazing jobs for you today, like for the cruise lines, क्योंकि मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम से अपने friends के those who are from the kitchen departments उनके messages आ रहे थे कि I think do you have any good vacancies in the kitchen department? So we have got some amazing vacancies tonight. Alright guys, so CSSI Mumbai has published some of the vacancies for the kitchen department. So for the vacancies are executive sous chef, we got executive chef, we got executive pastry chef, and the sous chef and the sushi chef as well. Alright. So guys, these are the vacancies the CSSI Mumbai have published. I think if you are coming in their criteria, the minimum requirement what they've asked for is that you should have 2 years experience in the 5-star hotels on the similar role, or maybe on the cruise line before. Alright, you should be fluent in the English and you should be from the hotel management background. Alright guys, so these are really amazing vacancies. I think you must go for it. If you think that you fit to this criteria, please go ahead and apply for this job, because these are one of the best jobs, I'm telling you. And like the money which you're gonna earn here, I think is very handsome amount of money. I think you get amazing money. And the best thing about the working on the cruise ship is that wherever you work on the cruise ship, whatever the salary you make on the cruise ship is completely a tax-free salary, guys. So you are not payable any of the taxes to any of the government. All right, so this is I think one of the best thing. And then the second best thing is that you get to see the world, right? You can roam around the world. It's one of the most beautiful job. All right guys, so I think I'm going to the description down. All right guys, so please go ahead and apply online for the vacancies, and if you got shortlisted, they're gonna give you a call. If you shortlisted in the as per their criteria, if you get shortlisted, they're gonna give you a mail. All right, or maybe so guys, अगर आपको पता हो तो थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने I have published one more vacancy from the Airborne website. I think the Airborne has published some of the vacancies which I uploaded few days before. Alright, so that was again for the kitchen department. Alright guys, so I think that vacancy is still on, guys. I think where they were hiring for the CDC, CDP, alright, pastry chef, assistant store manager, general technician, shipwide. We also got the seamstress called Taylor. Alright guys, so please go ahead for these jobs and apply for it. The vacancy is still on. The Disney Cruise Line is again one of the best company to work with. The CSSI Mumbai I think is mainly hiring I think for the P&O cruises, but still they will let you know. Alright guys, so good luck and please apply for this job. और guys, अगर आपकी भी इच्छा है, if you also want to come on the cruise line and want to work, so please subscribe my YouTube channel जहाँ पे मैं post डालता रहता हूँ for any vacancy which are coming out. Alright guys, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, guys. Alright, thank you for watching and मिलते हैं जल्दी with some more vacancies. See you. Take care.